The money, the money, the money. The money, the money, the money.
Good morning, Hawk. Today's a special edition of Heart to Heart because it's finally here, that special time of the year, the time where you get a chance to give back to your school and earn cool prizes and fun events at the same time. If you're thinking fun run, you're right. Today is the official kickoff of the 2 weeks of fundraising as we get ready for the run itself on May 4th. The Fun Run is a school-wide event that involves every single one of you. All you have to do is gather a few donations to support the fun programs that we enjoy. If you do, you can earn cool prizes that you will hear about coming up next. Be involved, be a part of something special, and let's have some fun. Now, to tell us more about what the Fun Run is, here is your expert Fun Run team members.
Money could buy you blood, but money don't buy you love. Money could buy you dubs for your Lexus. Money could buy us, but money don't buy trust.
Good morning, Hawks. So you might be wondering what the actual Fun Run is. Well, we'll be collecting money from April 23rd to May 4th at 9 o'clock. The actual run will be on May 4th at 1 o'clock and is for Horizon students only.
You can pay a judge to say that you righteous. When you love to carry slugs and you might just kill them again.
Hey, I'm back! So, I'm here to explain what the purpose of the Fun Run is. It pays for sports, activities, assemblies, high-five activities, field trips, and much more. So come give money to the Fun Run so we can have a lit school year next year. Ow!
What is up, Hawks? It's your treasurer Hiram here, and I'm here to talk to you about the Fun Run. So, last year our goal for the Fun Run was $12,000, and we destroyed it. So we're going to move that goal up to $15,000. I think we can do it. So, why do we do the Fun Run? We do the Fun Run so that we can raise money for all our fun assemblies, like Houston Craft. He was super funny and really motivational and brought a good message. So, if you want to have some fun assemblies, then bring in the money.
The money.
Hey Eric, do you know what the prizes are for the Fun Run?
Yeah, I heard you get a $25 t-shirt.
And if you raise $50, you get a movie trip.
But I heard if we reach our goal, you get a VIP movie trip if you raise $50.
Wow. And if you raise $75, you get to go bowling.
Really? Did you know the top 25 people get to go to Laser Quest?
Dang, and the top 12 get to go to a limo lunch to Red Robin.
Man, I also heard that they're doing daily prizes.
That's really cool.
Money buy you stimulation, buy you medication, change the information. Money buy you education, kill your dedication, sway the allegation. Money's the reason for more people on the plantation. Money could buy a nation, money is segregation. Money to most of all of y'all is motivation. Money is behind global domination. Money is birth, money is earth, money is circulation.
The hustlers, they be hustling. The thugs, they be thugging. Fronters, they be frontin'. Gafflers, they be gaffling. Ballers, they be ballin'. Players, they be playin'. I got it going on it.
So what the hell you saying?
Everywhere we going, we'll take it what you're doing. Chrome Glock holding, that's the way we rollin'. Ice, I be rockin'. Cadillac flossin', ain't no stoppin'. This worldwide mobbing.
The money, the money, the money, the money. The money, the money, the money, the money.
Well, Hawks, as you can see, the Jurassic Hawk Fun Run is a huge event. But there are some small details we need to go over together, so come with me while we sit down, take a look at the paperwork that you need to be responsible for. Let's go. So first thing this morning, Hawks, you're going to get a packet from your teachers right after this video ends, and in that packet are going to be some important documents. First document you're going to get is a flyer. This flyer has all the important information you need to remind you the dates, the timeline for the fun run. It lists all the incentives and things you can win right on here. I recommend you post this on your refrigerator at home as a reminder, oh, I need to go out and get my donations gathered up and turn them in each day. Second thing you'll find in there is a letter to your parents. Please share the letter to your parents so that they understand what it is we're doing and why we're doing it. That's very important. The third thing you'll find is a script. Now this script is for you to use when you're talking to your friends and family and maybe your neighbors about the fun run. People are sometimes skeptical. They say, are you really here to gather money? I should give you money for what? Because remember, this one is not one where you take pledges. You're actually collecting the money right when you ask people for a donation to the fun run. You collect it and you put it in your envelope and bring it back to school. So this helps give them information. Our phone number at the school is on there if they need to call and verify that we're doing that. So you can read this, you can share it with them when you're out collecting donations. And the last thing you'll find in your packet, students, is your collection card in this Ziploc bag. I just noticed that on the back of that there are the directions that you can use to read to people who are wanting to make a donation. But on this side is where we will track your collections. But what you need to do is fill out your name, your sixth period teacher, and that's very important, that's your sixth period teacher because we will return these to sixth period so at the end of the day you can get them again. Your grade level and your t-shirt size. In fact, first period teachers right now, after you hand these out, have kids take these cards out, complete that information so it's ready to go. Appreciate that. Now, let's head into the office and I'll show you where you turn this in each day. Every day of the fun run, you can turn in money. And it's a good idea to do that because we have daily prizes. Every day you turn in money, your name goes in the drawing and you become eligible for daily prizes like donut parties, cookie parties, ice cream parties, lunch for you and a friend, etc. So it's a really cool opportunity to get extra chances to win. So don't wait till the last day is my point. So what you put your envelope or your card, into your plastic bag. You don't turn it into your teacher. That's not what's happening. You bring it right here to the office. You find your coordinated bin by color. Yellow happens to be 6th graders, pinkish happens to be 7th grade, and blue is reserved for our awesome 8th graders. And you turn those cards in each day. We will fill out the totals on there. You do not need to fill out how much money you brought in because we count it very carefully and we fill in the totals and track that for you each day. Our number is official, it's the one that counts. So with that, if you have any questions, just let me know or ask your first period teacher, they can help you out. Let's make this a great fun run and bring in lots of money for your school.
It's the $1 million man with the $1 trillion plans. I got the loot sacks in my hand, cause I'm the $1 million man. Warning, when it comes down to the money,